don't know, bro, this video went completely left. It was supposed to be in a car meet, but they were playing music and do that. So now, met a few guys, and we were about to just cruise, bro.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
Downtown, just cruising. Make sure you sub. Oh, you can't probably see me. Make sure you sub, like, and share. And yeah. Motherfucker let me in. Oh, this motherfucker. People are assholes. People are assholes. I'm trying to get over this motherfucker won't let me over. Fuck you, bitch.
Stop it.
This shit badass, y'all. I cannot keep up with these boys. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, bitch, what the hell? I'm sorry, for my crying Lord. Y'all hear them? Expecting at all to shoot this type of video, y'all boys. You feel me? This shit here is different. That? Nah, I don't think that, bro. Could've been. Oh shit. Got police around here and everything. Got police around this bitch and everything. But they don't fuck with me because I'm recording. I doubt it. But maybe they do. I don't know. I'm not familiar with these areas, because I know some areas do. Then they will mess with you if they see you record. I don't know. It's stupid. Y'all boys don't know, bro. We was in downtown Delray. The first time being in Delray. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. But this side is making crazy fucking horses, and the one in front of it making crazy horses too. These boys is not no sleepers. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you're in a Hellcat, do not fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy. I'm not really. I won't say really antisocial. I won't really say I'm antisocial. I really just don't talk to people that much. But what I figured out was with this, what I'm doing, bro, I have to talk way more. You know, with this YouTube stuff, I got to talk way more, interact with people. Because, nigga, if I didn't, bro, that y'all see right here, wouldn't have happened, bro. If I would have just kept quiet and didn't say nothing, bro, none of this would have been happening. So get out of your comfort zone for sure. Don't never get too comfortable with whatever you're doing, bro, ever. But right now we have this railroad thing, waiting for this train to get by. So when we get back on the road, get a cruising, I doubt we're gonna be doing anything crazy, you know. We're not be doing nothing crazy. So yeah, when we get back on this road, everything get rolling. Oh, hold on. Well, yeah, I'll be back. Back on the road. Don't know where we're going, but let's find out. A lot of my car do pops and everything, but I guess I got to warm up for real. But look at that Audi. The Audi's nice. was the popo. I got scared as hell, y'all, boy. God damn, these motherfuckers sound nuts. Nah, just nice, bro. I ain't never expect this shit to happen at all, bro. Shout out to these boys, bro. For real, y'all. These boys got me content for the night. I thank these boys, bro. Look at those. Those things are sexy, bro. Hold on, nah. My shit sound good too, nah.
The diabolical king, it's Wrxsti.
Back. We had stopped a little bit. Now we're on our way heading out. And now we heading out. I think we heading the same way. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not sure which way they heading. Sure. And I'm sorry if this video all over the damn place. Sorry if all over the place. Don't mean it to be. I'm just getting what I can get, dog. Getting what I can get, bruh. So I met these two guys. The guy in front of me, I'll throw both of their Instagrams on the screen, so y'all can check them out yourselves. Give them both a follow. Y'all both gonna do that for them boys for sure. For sure. Tell them I sent you. They been on control me. Control do be on. You feel me? Right here they be on.
Stop it. Get some help.